Good morning. Let's get started. Let's have a great day. Gonna be for me, it's gonna be a quick, short day. I am not looking to stay here all day because it's 2 more days till the new year. My list is up. I am adding Tesla to my list as well. Um, I'm adding Myrna to my list. And that's it. That's my list. I really don't have anything to short, and I can almost say I have never made money shorting Intel, which looks like a hourly sell setup. If you guys have um, a good looking short, let me know, because I've been looking for a good looking short, and everything that I see, it's hard to borrow for me. Literally everything that I see that looks good, it's hard to borrow, like TCCOs of the world, UUU of the world. These are all good looking shorts, but they're all hard. I mean, UUU maybe, but if it was gapping down a little bit, but now it's gapping up. So that's what I've got. I do like the BIDUs, the BABAs, Nikola. I do like these higher Chinese stocks. I think they have some juice. BTBT is a good top watch for us today. It's a daily 1, 2, 3 continuation. Look at the volume. It's a beautiful right side of the base. You've got a little bit of a cup of handle action happen, cup of handle breakout, rest, and now it's gapping up. So B2BT makes the top list here. FTIV, this is going to be in play. We're open. So like I said, I don't do anything right at the open. 1 minute trading, 1 minute is not a strategy. It's unless I have a dimer of a stock. But FTIV is an IPO, and this could today be a swing watch. I do like the mRNA. I'm putting mRNA on a watch. I'm PDD also look for continuation. Tesla is definitely a watch today. I just need to find an entry in Tesla because this could get going. This was a nice buy setup. I thought it would continue lower, but let's see what happens. Market does exactly same thing every morning. 10:30 it comes in. Look at that. 10:30 it comes in, and then it just power trend for the rest of the day. So it's that is what's happening. Actually, where's my Neo? Oh, right over here. Okay, I got Neo right here. And where did I put my JD? JD needs to go right here. PLTR showing a little bit of a strength. Wow, BIDU is already gone. BIDU is a swing trade over 200. That's a swing trade. I put it in a swing trader chat room that it's a swing trade over 200. I just did not give any entry here, BIDU. Here, let's take a look. My first trade will be BTBT over 1250, and I'll put that in the chat in a little bit. So it will be 1250 by 1210. Oh, it just skipped me. Come on, come and get me, please. I gotta get into this trade. I got to get into this trade. I might buy some here, and there we go. There we go. Okay, right here. Get me in, get me in, get me something here. I'm having to buy this up. Shoot. I'm trying to chase this. Look at this. I'm trying to chase this. It's not happening. Okay, finally I got a little bit of shares here. This is I'm gonna buy some more. I need something. BNGO. Let's take a look at BNGO. I need more shares of this. So I got a little bit of my shoot. JD is going to. I'm gonna get some more shares here. I would have to buy this up a little bit. I may have to buy this up at 12.95. May have to. Okay, I'm okay with this thing coming up. BNGO. Yeah, this one is good too. This one is good as well. BNGO. There's a lot happening. JD is super nice. That was nice. It got away. JD gotten away from me. But FTIV is good to go. FTIV is good to go. 1165 by 1146. FTIV. Man, I need to get a little bit more shares somewhere of this. But it's super spready. About 1 million shares traded, but this looks really good. FTIV. So I'm going to get a piece here. It's going to be spready, so be careful. It's going to be spready, so be careful. 1165 will be the only reasonable entry. I just got into this 400 shares. This going to pop here. Looking for BTBT to come in so I can buy some more shares of BTBT, but I am definitely BTBT. I've got order for BTBT at 13 bucks for potential breakout. So that's my BTBT game plan. All right, so I'm in an FTIV and let's see what happens here. All right, JD is gone. And let's take a look at Billy. Yeah, Billy looks good. Billy looks good here. It's gone already. You can try to bid here. I would go here, start bidding and see if you can get in, but this is gone already. I'm liking this Riot, and I am also liking this Mara. Liking the Riot and liking the Mara. Yeah, Riot is probably right here. Riot is right here. 17 by 1650. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. BTBT. It's got to go now. It's got to go. It's got room. I looked. It's got room. It's got a room all the way to about into 13, 30, 30, maybe 1350. Guys, I am going to play this BIDU. BIDU 204 by 202. BIDU. I am going to play this BIDU. BIDU will be 204 by 202. Let me put in my orders in BIDU. There we go. $2 stop on BIDU. And FTFT is, there we go. Come on, FTFT. Gotta break 70 though, FTFT. Gotta break 70. Hasn't broken 70. And our BTBT in the 1330 area, guys, I'm going to take this off at 1330. Just a break of 1330. I'm gonna take something off. So it's gotta go. Market is putting a bottoming tail here. And Neo is going as well. Neo, check out Neo. Neo is going. Mara is a buy setup here. Mara is a buy setup. Neo is really nice. FTIV got to go here, or I am going to take off this trade here. FTIV. 11:59. I'm watching FTIV. If it doesn't hold, I'm out. There we go. I just got out of FTIV. And it might go now. I just got out FTIV. I just got out. It didn't hold. 11:59, and I just got out. That's fine. It wasn't doing shit. Need this BTBT to go here. Probably give me an opportunity. I might add to more of this. I mean, that was if 1250, I was trying to get in 1,000 shares. This would have been up $800. All right, BIDU, not much happening. Let me cancel this. BIDU. Oh, there it goes. Now the FTIV, now it's going. It seriously, it has room. FTIV entry is still right here. It's not that bad. Entry is still right there. All right, things are starting to come in with the market. Things are starting to come in with the market, and this, look at this. Ah, that's unbelievable. Okay, BIDU back in play. BIDU back in play over 204. BIDU is back in play. BIDU is back in play. I did not see this. I'd like to enter this here somewhere. It's not going to allow me to enter. There we go. I just got in. I just got in. Oh man, who's in FTIV? It was just waiting for me to get out. That is not bad. Tesla is also interesting here. Tesla is also interesting. The entry will be right here too, 672 by 667. So about a $5 stop on Tesla. Who's in FTIV? Raise your hands, please. Fuck. This is a swing play. If I was in my other account, I am definitely keeping it. Look at this. Yeah, this is keep it overnight. Put your stop right here, keep this overnight. FTIV is a swing play. BIDU. Yeah, let me know when it gets to $210. Yeah, BTBT took targets. Nice job on BTBT. Nice targets on BTBT. Told you 1330, I'm going to take targets. So BTBT is good to go. Yeah, nice BTBT if you played it. That one worked out. This FTIV is going to bother me. It's going to a little bit bother me, not going to lie to you. But hey, it is what it is. BTBT, wow. Now it's going, guys. Now it is going. It's breaking out. Damn, I've been making you guys money every morning. Every morning. Probably making more than me. FTIV, you know why FTIV looks so good? Look at this. Look at this volume. Look at this volume on this, and then volume is still coming in. And this takes out 1240. You guys will be in the right. Who is an FTIV, by the way? Some of you got to be an FTIV. Okay, nice job, Neil, on BTBT. Yeah, I locked in profit myself. Nice job. But this right here is now a $1 move on $1 plus move on BTBT. Yeah, Mara looks good. It was a buy setup on Mara. Riot looks good too. Riot looks good. Matter of fact, looks better than Mara. Riot. It was a $17 entry on Riot. This looks good. You can play it right here. Actually, you can start your position. It might just break out right here. It might break out right here. And Mara too. Look at Mara. Mara was nice, but Riot is nicer. Riot looks nicer than Mara. And I need this BIDU to take out 205. Might add to this 205 entry on BIDU. Actually, I am going to put an order for BIDU. Adding to BIDU, I can move the stop to about 203 on BIDU. Yeah, watching this Mara and Riot for a good entry. I don't have a very good entry, but BTBT, what a rip. What a rip on BTBT. Yeah, Billy did give a buy setup. I did see that. That was a nice buy setup on Billy. iMac looks pretty good too. BTBT was my best gap today. Was the best gap, and look, you've got. I wanted to get in at 1250. You've got entry here where we did get in 1290. You had a really nice flag right here on this. You right over here. You've got declining volume, and then you got breakout. And I said I'm going to be out here, so I got out at 1340, and then now it's a dollar later. And FTIV still looks higher though. FTIV still looks higher. Here goes Mara. I gotta, if my entry would have been right here on Mara, and I missed that. It's going. So is Riot. Riot was $17. Billy is going too. I think Tesla is just too crowded. It's too noisy. PLTR got a little bit of volume here. Oh yeah, this is turning out to be a runner. That was a nice call over $2. It's turning out to be a runner. You know what? This one is also running MTNB. This has been running too. And FTIV, another entry right here. Trying to get into Mara or Riot, but I just don't have an entry. Trying to get into these. Let's see, IPON. Oh, IPDN. Yeah, it's not bad either. That's not bad, but FTIV, guys, is the best one. It's the best one. It's probably looking to break again. 12 entry is 1245 by 1210. Same thing was here. Same thing was there. Look at PDD. Like I said, it will have a continuation. Didn't have any setup though. No setup. Need this BIDU to get going here. Need BIDU to get going. It's doing fine, but it's not. It's got to take out that 205. Weekly chart has tons of room. Look at that. Look at this. Clear. Tons of room. It's right at the highs, so it just needs to break out. The problem is that we're coming into that 10:30 time when market comes in, and my fear is that we may get this BIDU will come in with the market, but it may give us an entry in FTIV, and BTBT is gone already. BTBT is gone. It's really nice. Really nice. This was really nice. Probably trade of the day. It's gone another $1 since my exit, but trade of the day. And I had to chase this up. It was such a nice gap. Let's see what's TME. Oh yeah, TME is nice. That is really nice. TME is really nice. It's a really nice. Wish I would have seen it. You brought it up right over here. It's still not bad. It's 2010 by 1990. That's not bad. TME. Put this on the watch. Yeah, neat is nice too. Neat is nice. Neat entry will be right here, 1550. Where do we put a stop? Spotted. Where do we put a stop on neat? There's no stop here on neat. Look at that. But it's nice. All right, TME I'm gonna play. TME 2010. I like that. So thanks for bringing that up. TME. TME, it's going to go here. I am going to play this TME. I'm probably going to take it right here. TME. Taking it right here. And stop will be 1990. And I am going to So I've got 12 shares triggered. I hope you guys see that. I've got 488 pending, and I try to get in early. Well, there we go. Now I am going to get in more at 12:17. I'm going to get in more at 12:17. I mean, not 12:17. You know what I mean. 2017. All right. Let me put that in here as well. This TME. I like this TME. It's good find. You know what's also good here is Billy. Billy is right here, $91. It's a good one. It's so good that I almost want to bid for it right here. Billy. It's so good. It is very good. Billy. And neat is also good. 1550 neat. Might just have to buy that neat over 1550. It's a neat setup. Billy, this was really good. This has momentum. This is the pure. It has momentum. And I don't really have BNGO was good momentum play today. I like this INDO, but it's halted over 12 bucks. I like it. BIDU, I didn't have my orders, which I need to put my orders to add. I am going to add to BIDU right over here. There we go. I've added to BIDU. And there you go. It just break 205. The legit stop is now, really the stop still got to be right here. I am going to move the stop to 203 on BIDU. So BIDU stop raised to 203. So I'm going to put a stop right here on BIDU. BTBT has also got momentum. I'm tempted to buy Tesla at 672. I mean, what are we gonna do? Buy what 50 shares and put a stop to at what 668, $4 stop. I mean, I guess we could do that. I don't like buying 50 shares, but Tesla looks like it wants to move higher today. It's crowded, but I rather just, you know, I need $2 more here on Baidu. $2 more will be perfect trade. Oh fuck that BTBT man. Just what a rip. But I'm glad if you guys played it, and whoever played it, congratulations, because that was the best thing. And you know, I got skipped from here and then chased it and then got out. But nonetheless, we played it and we made money. So that all right, waiting for this time. It's TME 10 cent music. It's taking its time. Would love this thing to just, you know, get going here, but not really. So we'll see. I'm not liking it now. I'm not liking it now. I do like this. I need 208 will be my target. 208 will be my target on Baidu. I feel good about my stop now. I feel good about my stop. And market is we need market to get going. Look at this market. And so we are in a stock that's showing relative strength, but let me show you what relative strength looks like. This is what relative strength. So um, but I definitely need 208 from BIDU, and I think we'll get it. I really do. Just patience. Patience. And here goes Tesla. I mean, Tesla's going. 672 was the entry. Look, it got rejected once, twice. Third time is a charm. I like this Neo. Neo is a beautiful buy setup. I mean, if I don't swing this late in the year, but this looks really good. This looks really good. I mean, it's a textbook. You know, you've got this is a natural reaction that's happening in Neo. Um, about another dollar here. It went to 20, almost 207, right? So about a dollar. So it went to 206.94. Just one more push in the market, one more push in BIDU, and we will be good here on BIDU. We will be all right. So one more push. Yeah, Billy was nice. It gave you two setups. Neat is neat. Over 1550 is neat. TME is doing absolutely nothing. It's just holding my 10 grand basically.
Dude,
Doing.
that was an awful trade, dude.
Oh, there you go. Time is. This is not bad. This is not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna add. Just added more. Just added more. And market's coming in. Market is coming in. But this is the time that market gets going. And that's exactly why I wasn't playing Tesla, because I feel as if it is getting a little bit more crowded. This is exactly why I wasn't playing, but I do need this to take out 207 into 208. That'll be our target. Here's your 672. It's not that far out. I'm just getting this PM. Are you gonna take it? Are you gonna take it? I was like, don't tempt me on Tesla, because you know I have that love and hate relationship. I love the cars, I hate the stock, kind of deal. And this TME, I may have to get out. It's not going. So I'm out. TME. I'm gonna close this out. TME. I'm out. Small loss. Not. I don't like this price action. After this, it should not do that. So that's I'm out. TME. Let me cancel this bids. Cancel these bids. Oh, here goes neat. Missed it. I meet neat. That was really nice. 1550, nice breakout. You got a big stop though. Had a $1 stop. Just don't know, and I haven't checked it. I could have played this as a scalp. I could have played this, but weekly chart, it's right at resistance. A lot of resistance right here on neat. A lot of resistance. Markets coming in, and Tesla's holding. Tesla's holding, but neat, that's a lot of resistance. I probably would have played this a quick scalp. A nice volume came in. Nice volume on neat. FTIV came all the way back to 12 bucks. Could be setting up an entry here. I might listen, one base, two base. I'm tempted to add a lot here on BIDU and then target into 208. So we'll see. I mean, I I will. It's holding a relative strength, looks pretty good. Want to add right here on BIDU. No, I'm gonna add right here on BIDU, right here. JMIA. Yeah, that's good too. That's a good one. JMIA. You got a dollar stop here as well. JMIA. You just gotta watch your stop. So BIDU just gonna trigger my add here. BIDU will trigger add. I can move the stop to right here. So let's go BIDU, pop right here. It's about to go. Boom. Add just triggered, and there you go. 207 gone. Now I just need to lock in profits right here. One more pop here, BIDU, and I am out. One more pop here. 207.50. I'm looking to lock in profits. Damn, I wasn't fast enough to take profits. Damn it. I wasn't fast enough looking at something else. One more pop. Come on, BIDU. There we go. I'm out, BIDU. I'm out, BIDU. Nice $1,000 trade, guys. $1,000. Boom. Goodbye. Have a good one. $1,000 in BIDU. Got about 500 in BTBT, and I am out. And I hope you guys saw right here, BIDU out. So hope you saw how to trade your way. It has probably 208 written all over it. I'm good. I am good at $1,000. So boom. Yeah, that's how you do it. So nice 1,000. I'm done. It's 7:07 my time. What is it? 10:07. So I'm gonna stop recording here. So we've been recording for, I don't know, maybe 37 minutes or so. 37 minutes, $1,500. Any complaints? I hope no one has complaints. You know, I gave you guys pretty, I don't know if I can be any more prescriptive of how to trade BIDU. Right? Look at that. Look at that. And it's not like I'm, you know, I accidentally added instead of selling it because I'm just looking at too many things. But 200, 300, 400, and out 400. So we started at 203. We added at 204. We added at 206. And look at and I'm gonna do this quick educational, and then another couple minutes, and then I'll probably call it a day. I am literally going to call it a day. Means I'm going to shut off the platform. I'm up $1,540. and my you know my Slack is blowing up. Oh, that's our trader group. Okay. Let me see. So here, let me show you guys before I go. Sorry, got caught up reading some of my Slacks. And it's always this thing is always blowing up. Let me just reply to this 1 second. 1 second. He said, "Oh, I just beat you to it. $1,584. Good for you." All right. But that's what you do, you know. Anyways, so to have a look before I go on Baidu. Listen, we started at 204. One could have said, "Oh well, there was no I told you there was no entry right at the beginning because you can go listen to the tape because it's being recorded." It's 202. I didn't enter. What I did, I waited. I waited for the opening range to settle in. Opening range settled in. It comes in here. You got an opening bar. You got a pullback right up here. You got a pullback right up here. Those of you been trading with me know I love these go patterns. I get in here at 203.95. I'm going tick by tick. 203.95. I put in my stop at 202. My risk level is $400. I said, okay, it goes up to 204. I mean, it goes up to a 205-ish. It pulls back. Now, very important to understand, this move right here, this move started with this bar, right? Took out all this is bullish. If it takes out 202, it's going much lower. It's going much lower. You stay pretty much within the 50% of this bar. And this is getting too technical. I mean, this is too early, but it's getting to 50%. You put a bottoming tail. Look at what's happening in the market. That's why I'm doing it, because it's all along it was showing relative strength. Put a bottoming tail. I said, you know what? Now I'm getting another pattern that I love to trade, so I am going to enter at 204 or 205. So I enter right over here, 205. With this bar, I was in this bar. It goes consolidate again. I said, hey, I am going to enter here and take profits into the 50 area. That's exactly what I said. I added, took profit, $1,000. Base number one, those of you, base number two, base number three, and at that point, it's getting a little bit late in the moment. Now, let me show you how this thing works in another stock because it's working. And that's also came from Playbook Trader and that state of mind. Look at Billy. Now, this was $89 was the first entry. Now that was if you're trading this, 89 was a good entry. What do you have is a bull sandwich. Base one, pull back. It pulls back a little bit more than what you wanted, but if you add $89, your stop is at $88. Okay, you're within that range. You can enter right here into this. Right over here, you have another entry. So that's one, that's two, that's your third base, and it's getting late in the base. Let me, those of you, I think I put that, I put it here for you guys. And look at this Tesla. Tesla trade is going. Tesla trade is going. Really nice. Right here, 672 was the entry. It's about a 1 hour here. If even 50 shares now up $200. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. You know why? Because I wasn't at that moment. I was not feeling the Tesla trade. Right here, let me show you what I mean by this Tesla trade. It's right here. Check it out. Now, this is a super chart that you all should study. Tesla on its way to base number 6. I mean, it's the number 7 if you really count this move right here. but we were just talking about how to trade the basis one day, and I did this mentorship, and I did spend about an hour on this. But this is how you trail method. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 base on Tesla, and this is a weekly chart. Some of the biggest money, some of the best traders, some of the hedge funds, and if you've listened to market wizards, some of the traders, not some, I would say all of the traders, they never look at the daily chart. They only trade on the weekly chart. BTBT, entry right here, added right here, took profit super early, pull back higher, pull back. Now looks like it wants to go higher. Now, what are you seeing here? Seriously, I mean, I know all of you are on unmute. So look at that. This versus this. This versus this. What do you have? It's relative strength. What do you have in right now? What is NEAT doing? 1550 was the entry on NEAT. Beautiful. Now it's going. It's really rectifying all the resistance. All the charts, all the tickers, all the symbols that I trade is mostly power plays, and I only trade relative strength and relative weakness. There is no method to madness. Somebody just text me, not text me, but message me. Hey, how do you know when to take profit on BIDU? That's why you pay me. I mean, I'm not going to be a dick about it, but there's no secret to that. Let me show you how. BIDU is this is this ATR. You know why this coded blue? Because this is the most important column that I see. This right here, BIDU, $8.76 an average move. With the gap up today, we can see $10.37. It tells me that we're going to see $10.37. It goes to 198 and 208. What do you get? $10. That's how we do it. It's methodical, it's mathematical, it's scientific. Entry, exit, management is an art. Those of you who can master the art and obviously emotions will be ultimately successful. So on that note, have a great rest of the day, and let's finish out the year strong tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.